Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to iGyaan. Today we are checking out something really special. Now we've been missing for a while, but this video will more or less make up for it. Today we're checking out this. This is the new Lamborghini Huracan Evo RWD. Now this is Lamborghini's sort of pullback into rear-wheel drive cars. Ever since the Diablo came out, most Lamborghinis have always been all-wheel drive. And this sort of brings back the heritage of the sports car. Where you want to drift, you can do that. In fact, if you've seen Hyperdrive on Netflix, you've seen that one person specifically modified his Lamborghini with a rear-wheel drive switch. It comes in this Viola Mel color. Now this is a satin finish violet color, and the wheels are 19-inch veneer super gloss black wheels. We talk about the engine. It is a 5.2 liter V10. Now this is a beast, producing 610 horsepower and 560 Newton meters of torque as stock from the factory. So you can see the V10 badge over here, and you can see the Italian flag, of course. But what this says in Italian is the order of firing. So this is how the cylinders fire in this particular order for the V10. So the entire chassis is made out of a hybrid of aluminum and carbon fiber. The body itself is an aluminum and synthetic material. And things like even the side view mirrors are made out of aluminum and carbon fiber. Steering wheel and the gauge cluster looks like, you can see over there, the fuel tank says benzina, which is basically Italian for petrol or gasoline, and then temp aqua means that the water temperature is on the left, more or less. I can switch from Strada to Sport or Corsa right here from the steering wheel, and the dashboard sort of changes as I do that, which looks absolutely brilliant. Lots of buttons right here still, so still a lot of analog control. Things like the hazard lights, everything is over here, and of course your lights are on this side. The typical jet sort of flip switch for starting the car is still here, and it looks absolutely brilliant, and you just want to start the car with that. You can of course flip it up, or you can go directly through here if that's something that you want. So just like the new Huracan Evo, this also comes with this new infotainment. This is more or less completely digital, and it's not something that you expect from high-end luxury Italian supercars, but Lamborghini is heading in the right direction as far as that is concerned. So it does have Apple CarPlay, and you can customize the display per your layout. Of course, you have all those settings for your entire car, including interior lights, exterior lights. All of that is right here, and the touchscreen is super responsive. You also have inbuilt navigation. Again, things that you don't really expect from a Lamborghini are sort of available in the Huracan Evo RWD. So I know why most of you guys are here. You want to see what this engine sounds like and what the exhaust sounds like. So I think it's time to start up the car and give you a feel of that. That was it, guys, for this video. That is all we can do for you now, but of course we're going to be taking this car for a drive, and that video will come out later in a couple of weeks, hopefully. So if you like this content, if you like us to do more of these exclusive car videos, do let us know in the comment section below. Smash that like button if you haven't already, because this is the Lamborghini Huracan Evo RWD, one of the first looks here in India. If you're not already subscribed, make sure to subscribe to iGyaan, and I'll see you next time, which will be really soon. See you guys.